Right, not sure what we all saw there, but I don't know what's going on with this camera just now. Though we have just loaded up the car to take to the rabbits, and we're just gonna go in here and get ready to go to the chiropractor. That's it. And while we're here, we can show you. Oh, dark. I can show you what's up with the whole camera system, the what's it called, dash cam. Sounds really weird. 1 second. Save distance. What wider? That is right. I'm using my new Canon 10 to 18mm lens, so I get a bigger field of view. Also gonna have a fishbowl effect, but means I don't need to carry my big 18 to 135mm lens, which looks good. But I'm gonna go for 10. So there's the dash cam there, and I've just kind of fed the wires up there. They sometimes pop out along there. They go all the way along there, not that you can tell. I've done a good job. And you can just see, if I zoom in as much as I can on 18mm, the rear view camera there. And that is... see, connections. Source. Bluetooth audio. And we should get Parateller's Stream Beats, one of my favourite streaming free-to-play music on Spotify. And look at the time, we're gonna have to go, so I'll get back to you when we're at the chiropractor. Bye bye. Right, we're at the chiropractor just now. We're gonna go and get that done. Realised I forgot my keys, so I'm gonna have to go back and get them, take the rabbits their stuff. So we'll all be back here soon, and hopefully my camera doesn't not getting it because it's staying in the car, and this is not the nicest of videos. It's alright. Well, the chiropractor went really well, and yeah, got a nice few adjustments done, and feeling good after carrying all these boxes back to the house yesterday. And yeah, we'll see. Got my house keys. Okay, so that was bad. I could have taken time to change into some jeans, but you know, we move. Okay, so now the plan is light. Go see the rabbits. There we go. Right. So, I'm still... The mic problem is going to be rectified tonight. These are my boxes that I'm picking up. These. And this is obviously for... well, I can go and show you. Alright. She's not got the radio on for you. Hello. Hello. Hi Victor. Jack. What's up? Yeah, the rabbits are here. 1 second. And Jack is out to say hello. Oh, and Victor's joining him. Got to get another. Victor doesn't like laminate floors, so we have to put towels down for him so he can run around. There we go. I thought Jack was being awfully brave there, coming out sometimes, but she's out there. Look. Little rabbit's out. I've got some treats for you. Yeah. You knew you were going to be doing wrong there. I saw you by the camera. So yeah, that was Jack. He was investigating what the camera was. He's not really seen his camera much, to be honest, but he hasn't seen me a lot in the last few months either, because when we've been selling the house, they have been at my mum's. Hence why we're in my old room. What are we on? 18mm. Yeah, this is my old room. Used to have the flexi bit there, and then up into the attic there. If you go back long enough in the channel, you can see me filming here. So I think my new space is going to be roughly about maybe the same size as this. I think maybe a bit bigger. Probably bigger. It's got a wardrobe here as well. What you guys seeing? Would you like some? There's your food. This will get you excited. Oh, sorry Jack. There you go. Oi! Be nice. Jack's very greedy. But yeah, we've done what we came here to do basically. Probably just spend some more time with the rabbits and then I'll get heading back. There we go.
So basically, there has been huge audio issues with this vlog, mainly because the Comica mic doesn't turn on automatically when you turn the camera on, so there is a bit of an issue with that mic. I do go over in my review, you can check my review out. I'll link it in the description below. So there has been massive audio issues with that. But on the other hand, I am getting the Rode Pro Plus mic, which turns on every time you turn the camera on, so hopefully there'll be a lot less audio issues that way. And this has just been kind of a quick vlog throughout my day, just going to the chiropractor and, you know, just seeing the rabbits as well, giving them treats, and then just kind of heading back to mine. I'd like to take the time to thank everyone for watching this video. Thank you for taking the time out of your day to spend your little time with me. And if you do feel like it, hit this comment down below. I get back to everyone who comments, and hit that thumbs up button, and more importantly, hit that subscribe button, please. I'm trying to hit 100 subscribers. And also, if you'd like to follow me on Twitch, just type in 4DXT, you will find me over there. But I will see you in the next vlog, video, whatever I do, probably a review of the 2 microphones on the DSLR. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.